Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the stream, y'all. We on live. Y'all getting ready to trade with Mo Diesel. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Super income class in the building. Feel me? Y'all here to come get some sick trades. Here it is Thursday. And we're back at it. You feel me? One more day, right? To kill these markets. I hate to see the weekend. But we're here and we're still in the game. You feel me? Now let's just talk about a few things real quick before I get started. Actually, not even before I get started. While I'm getting started, um, let's look at the daily. Let's just do a quick little top down. We're just gonna do a little quick top down. We're gonna erase everything. And we're just gonna do a top down because I want you guys to be able to see how these markets are fluctuating. All right. Let's get rid of some alerts there from yesterday. This one. Okay, now if you're looking at this market, we seen that we have one. Let me get this. 1, 2, 3 tops. Okay, 3 tops, right? So hopefully y'all can see my little cursor here. So we did get a strong impulsive move to the upside, taking out these tops, right? But before we took the tops, we took the bottoms. This is how we knew we were going up, all right? So we took the bottoms. These are double bottoms here, and then now we took the bottoms. Listen, we're looking for accumulation stages, right? Looking for it to accumulate, create tops, create bottoms, take one side, move to the other. That's it, okay? So now let's move down. Let's keep it moving. See how quick we can do this. Looking at the daily. Well, let's look at the weekly. We just did the monthly. Let me just do it in order for you, for those that don't know, because I can quickly move from monthly to daily. You can see more clearly of the tops getting taken. Boom, moving up higher. But look what we got here. We got this candle here, right? That didn't push above this one. The next candle came in and pushed above, taking the tops, right? So we took the previous high, made a new high, right? Now we're trying to come back down, right? Where can we go? Well, we can come back down to this area here, insufficiency in price in this candle, right? This bullish candle here. You can come down to this bullish candle here. There's still insufficiency in price, only one-sided play. There is a gap here. All right, so think about it. Yesterday, this same type of setup happened. Right? There was a gap below with another little gap, space in between the candles, just wicks. And what did the market do? It came down and filled those areas. Okay? So that's the weekly. So we're pushing down. Past week, we've been bearish. Okay? Now, let's look at the daily. Daily is showing what? So the daily, here we got, you can see it in more depth here, what it did to push above these two highs here, right? Push, 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 but now I'm seeing that we have liquidity below, okay? Lots of liquidity below. We still have gaps here. Still got like a little, well, they're kind of filling this gap here, right? But we have all of this slippage, and another little open space in between the candles. All right, so let's keep it moving. So daily, we've been moving down. We had a small retracement. To be looking at this market, I'm already go ahead and guess that we're probably going to continue moving down. But that's just it's just my guess. Let's go ahead and move down to the 1 hour. Hold on. Did I do 4 hour for y'all? No, I didn't. Okay, so let's move to the 4 hour and let's do some investigations and see what we might come up with. Right? So I'm already seeing, look, wave up. Okay. Now, what is she doing now? She broke the wave. She broke it here. She broke it here by coming down here. Still creating low. Got below this low. All right. Kind of giving me an idea that we still might want to move further down. Okay. So we do got some liquidity sitting above. We got some gaps up here. But look what we got below. A lot. All right. A whole lot. So let's keep going. We got a gap here. Lows here. Wick here. Y'all see it. Let's go to the hourly real quick. Just want to check the hourly because it's going to give me a little bit more data on the candles. All right, so look, we came down and we got to this price and we reversed, right? Coming back up into this area. We got liquidity sitting above here, right? They accumulated. They took the bottoms. We could still come up and take these tops. Look at all this liquidity we have up here. We have a gap here, right? So, got gaps here, 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 all right? So, we did this real strong push down, taking these lows in reverse, but we didn't really, to me, it didn't like reverse. I wanted to see more of it, but it did enough, right? Enough to pop back up. So, let's just keep going. All right. Let's see what we got here. Just investigating. We'll look left. Gaps below. Liquidity there. All right, cool. It's no problem. All right. So, real quick, let's just see what we got for the news. Today is the 30th, so we're here. We do have high U.S. news at 8:30. News at 10. And that's pretty much it. That's all we got. All right. So this is really good because now we should get some type of volume into these markets and see which way we're going to push. Looking at the higher time frame on the daily, just looking at this, I would say that there's a strong chance of us coming back down to the lows. But the fact is she's still in an uptrend. She's still trending up. She hasn't like literally broke on the daily to show that she wants to go lower. Right? She's still showing high trend. But as you do a top-down analysis, you'll start seeing on the lower time frames that the trend is getting broken. Right? Trend up. We got one here, one here. Trend broke. Two breaks of the trend kind of solidifies the move as going in that direction. So if it broke this trend, uptrend, and it broke it 2 waves up, coming down as it was coming down. Most likely, it's going to continue to move down. Okay. All right. So we do got these low, this wick here, this candle here is showing me there's money sitting there. Money over here at 22.34. All right. So we got money sitting below. Lots of money below. But we just want to see how this might work out. Right. All right. So let's go. All right. Because we got news coming up in like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. All right. Do I want to? All right. Let's see. $15. They broke this low here with this candle. So let's put that back on our things and see what we got going on. Yesterday was real nice on stream. We did hit some nice profits there. All right. So I really want to, and oh, speaking of yesterday, remember yesterday's stream, if we go back to yesterday's stream, I marked these areas of where market could come back down into. Well, she did just that, by the way. Okay. For those that didn't listen to me. Okay. So we're just going to look, they filled this insufficiency in price. They actually did get down here to this insufficiency in price, this box here. They tapped into it, but they didn't close it. So this is letting me know, like, I've seen this before, guys. And, like, they'll tap in and reverse, but then they'll come back and fill it. So this is kind of giving me an idea that, you know, they could come back down into this price. All right. Let's go here real quick. Let me see what's happening. Hold on one second. I'm looking at the 4-hour real quick. I'm just investigating real quick. Okay. I'm just going to clean this up because I want to take some things off here so my eyes can see better. See, they came and took all this money. This shit gone. Money gone. See money, take money, all right? It's gone. There's no need for us to keep our eyes on these areas anymore because they basically smacked through these like I said they were going to do. Okay. Boom. So just getting a little cleaned up here. We don't necessarily need this. This was spot on. Okay, let's get rid of this. These is X'd out. Just want to clean this up because this is past markings that we don't need to keep on here right now. I don't need these for my eyes. I already pretty much can see what she did. All right, remember I said there was like this gap. There it is, that space. When there's two candles, they like gap up, right? There's a lot of space in between here. They got to come back in the future and get that, which they did. Okay, they did. Easy, right? It was an easy call of getting to this insufficiency in price on on a lower time frame and then aiming for this area here. That's exactly what happened. Doesn't get any perfect than that, y'all. All right. I'm just investigating because we got news in about 13 minutes, so I really want to see what we can do during the news. I just want to see as far as what has been happening as far as the story and where we're going. Okay. I'm not seeing it on the 1 hour. Let me check the lower time frame. I'm not seeing it on the 30-minute either. Nor do I see it on the 15-minute. I see it on the 5-minute. All right. Of course, the 5-minute. All right, let's look at what she did before. We got up in this insufficiency in price, but we didn't close it. We didn't close that. No, and we didn't close this one. So let's go ahead and let's mark these bad boys up all the way up here on this 5-minute. Right here. Yeah, that candle there. Not moving lower. We moved into this gap area here that I have my eyes on. But now we look like there's money above. Let's just tighten this up some. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, that looks about good. Let's go back up to the higher time frame. And the reason I go to the higher time frame, guys, is because think about it. The banks are not playing on lower time frames. The banks, the big guys, if you want to play with the big guys, you got to play on the same board as the big guys. The big guys are playing on a daily, weekly, monthly, all right? And then you can basically see here what's happening with this market. So on the lower time frame, you're going to get that fluctuation of candle come down, up, down, up, down. That's because on the lower time frames, a lot is going on. So the lower time frames is affecting the big candles on the higher time frame. Okay. Now, I do want to see this market just come back down here. I always, every time I mention something, it happens, guys. If this market can continue to fall down, that'll be great. Coming back down here to these price areas, 22.36, you know, 22.75. I mean, this looks like a good area to be in due to these candles here. There's money there, right? There's a one-way play. There's no black candles, all white candles. So this here is kind of like keeping something I need to keep my eye on. Okay. So I'm just going to, this is why I put the dollar sign. I put the dollar sign there. That's cool. All right. Let's tighten this up. So it can come down along with this here. And that's done. We can come down like that low. Maybe on the lower time frame, it shows more insufficiency in price. But you know, we just gotta go down there and see. And you can always tighten it up, make it look pretty. All right. Where would it be? Right there. Right underneath this wick. This area here is insufficient. Okay. Now, a lot of people want to know, like I said, what the insufficiency means in price. It just basically means that it was a one-sided play. It was either all buyers or all sellers, but no buyers or no sellers. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I hope you guys understand that you need two sides of the board. Okay? So, now I'm just waiting. Today is going to be a little waiting game. We got news in 7 minutes. So I want to see what the news does. We've been killing it all week, guys. I mean, all week. I ain't even gonna lie. The way this market is looking, though, the reason I'm getting ready to say what I'm getting ready to say is due to the fact that this tap here, they tapped in this insufficiency here. Strong chance of this tap moving up. The only thing is, when I go and look on the lower time frame, I think it's on the 5 minute is when I see it. Let me see if I see it in 5 minute. This is what I would be looking for in this area. And I would have been looking for it to close above, which it did a couple times. Little small retrace and then continue up to here. This candle here, right? This push down there and drawdown right here with the push up above the highs. Boom. Okay. Now, there was accumulation. They took the top. Then they came back down into this gap here. Took the bottom and went up. Okay. So if this is the case, if this is the story, let me mark it for you. Boom. Right there. If this is the story, okay, this is showing me that they're wanting to move a little higher. All right. Strong chance of this. Let me get it. You know, this market continuing up. Look at all these sellers. We need to take them guys out. Okay. We need to have a two-sided market. At the moment, it's not. We got all these highs here. So this is why I'm thinking we can go long. Boom. Long. And we probably can go like up to here. It's insufficiency in price. Yeah. Alright, so this probably would look like a good price. And this is right before news, right? 5 minutes before the news. Like they're literally pushing in a certain direction before news. Right? Let's see right there. That's where I had it at. Okay? At the 2340. I feel like we was at 2340 before. When I was throwing these signals out for y'all. Yeah, we've been in the 2340s for a minute. Alright, so they did come in and close this area here. Guys, I haven't put this trade in or nothing. I'm still analyzing the chart. I'm just trying to get a good area of where we might be able to get into this chart, into the trade at. And catch some pips today. So Everything is sufficient there. Everything is sufficient except for up here. This is why I want to target here because this is insufficient. And then you got all of this money sitting up here. So, I mean, these are some pretty good targets to aim for. This is not a bad idea. Let me see something. Man, that's a long way down. 70 clicks, that's 79 clicks down. That's a pretty long way down. Market been moving. I gotta slide my stuff over. Been moving nicely. So this is before the news, so be careful. Don't listen, guys. I haven't put this in the trade group yet at all. You haven't heard me type on my keyboard. I haven't given my group a trade yet. All right. If you're in the Telegram group, the description is below. If you're not, in the description below, there's a link to Telegram. So if you're not in the group, go ahead and hit that link and jump in there. It's free. Okay. Let me just go here and see what's happening. How did we get in here? We got in here, we closed. You see these little areas that I'm marking up, guys? They're respecting these areas to the most part. For the most part, they're respecting these areas. All right. Let's see. They actually did. When I'm looking at the lower time frame, they took these highs here, and then we could actually push down. Push, 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 push down. Get down up in this area here. And then maybe get, maybe we'll get that push up. But looking at the daily, I don't really want to trade against the daily. Because the daily is sitting, looking pretty. With a lot of liquidity below, but we do got some above. So, but this candle here came and took up this candle here. So it didn't quite engulf it though. This is not considered an engulfing candle. This price is still higher than this price here. So it didn't engulf at all. But daily is still looking like we could, push to the downside. So let's just keep looking, And all we're doing, guys, is investigating. That's all I'm doing is just investigating the markets to see where we could go. We got news in probably less than 10 seconds, 15 seconds. I'm not sure. Hold on, let me check it. Oops, hold on. Let me check. All right, wait, let's get rid of this real quick. Cause I don't want people, y'all can take this if you want. I already told you she can go up, but let me just keep looking. All right, news has just dropped now. Let's just see what we're gonna do with the news. 2340 does look like a good spot to be in at. Where can we aim? We can aim here. Double tops there. Liquidity sitting there. Man, I can pinpoint these areas so simply. All right. Let me see. Boom. All right. We gotta get up here too. And we gotta get up there. All right, cool. It looked like we can just gonna go ahead and get up there. So 2340 does look like a pretty good price to be in at. I'm gonna just go ahead and take 2340 right now. Let me see if 2340 will work out by the time I finish typing this. Maybe. All right, 2340. If you're in the group, you will see that I am typing this out and I'm posting it for you guys. Let's see. Let's get a good stop on here. A 79 pip stop is just way out of my league. I'll do 50 pip stop. 50 pip stop don't seem bad. So let's go ahead and get 23.35. And that's it, guys. You guys should have this trade. I'm going to share this trade. Damn, it's 2 minutes after the market, and we really didn't do too much. Not the push that I really was looking for. Let me go here and see something. She looks good. She looks good. She looks alright for right now. She looks okay for now. This doesn't look like a bad trade, guys. Look at that. Alright, we already didn't bust through here. We should be coming through here. We can come as high as here. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's put these I like using dollar signs because it's like, yeah, they show me that they grabbing liquidity easy. Easy. So we have let's do this. Where is it? Right here. And right and right here. All right. So these that I just lined out here for you guys is these are the areas that I'm looking for market to push up into for the group. I'm looking for her to can just continue up. I mean, there could be a strong chance that I've always say this, there's a strong chance of her turning around. Always is. It's always going to be a strong chance of her turning around, right? There's only two ways we can go in these markets. But looking at, like I said, I didn't really quite want to go against the daily, but I said there was liquidity above. So this market could play around, come back up into this liquidity, take these highs, come into liquidity, then reverse. Strong chance of that. And then you got to look, what did she tap into? My insufficiency in price, right? She tapped in right there. All right. You just have to like walk yourself through the story. I mean, even convincing yourself. You see me talk myself through the story? Like, oh, this should make sense. This should make sense. Yeah, this makes sense. All right, cool. They did this. When they did this, that makes sense. Guys, make this shit make fucking sense to you. You know, I'm actually trading smart money concepts, guys. All right. I know smart money concepts like the back of my fucking head. All right. Been doing this for a very, very long time. Years. People are coming to me and saying they just started trading 4 months ago. And I'm like, I remember that. I know what you're going through. All right. TP1 has been smashed for the group. If you're in my trading group, you are seeing that you have now reached your TP1. So let's just go ahead and update the group. Look good, looking good. All right. We get the 44. Yeah, we got the 44. So let's go ahead and update the group again and let them know that TP2 has been smashed. Guys, don't take all day to get your money and get the heck up out of here and get going with your day. All right. Let me forward this to them. Yep. Boom. You guys, there it is, guys. All right. Let's go down here to the lower time frame real quick. I'm gonna watch her on the 5 minute. Now I'm going to watch her on the 5 minute. All right. 5 minutes for entries only. All right. That's it. Do not enter on 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute, that's too much of a fluctuation. The 5 minute is good enough, guys. Look at them bust through, bust. Boom. I just update myself. Just let myself know that, hey, she smacked them. Boom, they're out. These guys are out. And come to look at it. These guys are out. It's like a little video game, guys. Where I'm aiming for now, boom, trying to get back up here. If we could get back up there, that'd be great. We do have some 5 minute insufficiency in price that I've noticed, and I probably just missed out on. Boom, right there. And we're just gonna slide this baby over to here, because these are areas that I would love to see us get up into if we are trading in this direction. Listen, guys, it don't always complete the analysis here. This is a 165 pip move, guys. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and change this. We're gonna bring this up here. We're at TP2, and it looks like we're moving up to TP3. So just in case, for stream purposes and for you new traders that don't quite understand market fluctuation, we're going to go ahead and break even. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust the group, give you guys I'm just going to say, you know, move the gold SL to break even. Boom. All right. That's it. You know what I mean? That's the bag right there. If you are confident enough to hold the trade with the stop loss down here, 30 pips out or 50 pips out, whichever one you want to do, that's absolutely fine. Right now we are in break even, and we are going to be done here shortly. Let me see what's happening. Okay, yeah, they got up in there. They took these guys nicely. But here is something that I don't take this off the 5 minute, guys. A reason why she's doing a little pullback is because of this candle here. See that? Then let's go to the 1 minute. That's why. That's why. Okay? But don't let that fool you, because this is a 5 minute, 1 minute chart. All right, we're already good. We're pretty much good now. Let me see where we are. 36 clicks up, 36 pips in profit right now. And we should see this market continue up, hit our TP3. If we do not, we are in break even. If you want, this line right here at this price, 23.42, is your 20 pip in profit. You guys, you can take your trade now, or you can put your stop loss in profit, secure 20 pips, and then let this market continue going. So let's do that right here. What's happening? I told y'all my typing keyboard, for some reason when I'm typing, it's like taking forever. All right, boom. So I'm going to update the group now. They can go ahead and move their stop loss to, what is this price here? 23.42. Okay, I'm gonna reply. $23.42 for 20 pips secured. Okay, and send that to the group and forward that to them. And now you have the update. All right. It was pretty much that simple. Now, if you want to, you don't listen. Just because I put that in the group doesn't mean I'm just basically doing this so I can, um, that way I can protect you guys' positions. Okay, you don't have to um, move into the secure zone of 20 pips secured. You can stay your SL. You know, you can still keep your SL and just let this market run if you want, if you feel more comfortable that way. But me personally, I feel like once I'm up about 60 clicks, I'm break even. She continues to move up above the 40 pip line, right? You can see she's wicking out. She's refusing to move lower. I'm going to go ahead and secure the 20 pips, guys. 20 pips is done for the day. Like, for real. This is easy work, guys. I love it. I went I went not too big on this trade. God dang it. What am I still in? Oh, I'm in draw mode. I went not too big on this trade, but it's over $100 day, so that's great, right? In what, a matter of what, 40 minutes, right? And I could be done with the day if I want, or I'm just gonna hold this trade out, see how she plays. She could continue moving to the high side, which I'm expecting her to do. Yeah, and hit TP3. I'm gonna stay here and allow us to hit TP3 live, just to see if we'll get this price. All right, we should get this price. We should. Let's see, where is she at in the market? She's up in this area. She actually got into this area. Look at this insufficiency on the 1 minute that she's tagging into. Look at this. Up in this area is the insufficiency in price. So let's see. Let's just do this. I'm gonna put 2 of these there because I want to get this whole area here. I just want to look and see how she's moving right there. Come on, chart. Man, my computer is sticking. All right. She got up in there, as we can see, but she didn't quite close in there. But she did get in there. That's a 1 minute insufficiency in price. A reason for them to actually turn around. See? They're bouncing between insufficiencies in price from higher time frame all the way to the lower time frame. You can see this happen. So, are we going to be out 20 clicks, or will she give us more? All right. Maybe. We'll have to wait and see. Let's look at the hourly. Ooh, strong push to the upside. Guys, I'm just going to sit here and let this baby do whatever it's going to do. Whatever it want to do, do it. Like, you can watch the lower time frame. The lower time frame is just going to be so choppy. It's really going to fuck with your emotions. I'm going to be honest with you. That's what the lower time frame is. It does to a lot of you traders. It just fucks with your emotions, right? When you should be emotionless in these markets, right? Again, every time I put something on the screen, if it doesn't, listen, as soon as we get into the trade here and she pushes up and let's say she come back and tag us break even, right? Or, you know, whatever. Let's just say break even. So the 20 pip secured is already done, right? But let's say she does come back to break even. Usually later in the future, she actually plays this thing out, right? This will play out. It will come up. It will get up in these areas here, and you'll be able to see later on in the future that the analysis was correct. The heck is that? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what that was. Alarm or something. But yeah, so look, this was nice. Taking out these highs here. That was real nice. I wanted to see her come up here and take out these highs. This is what I really wanted. But if she doesn't give me that, that's fine. We hit 40 pips. I don't know, 50 here on stream. Yeah, 50 pips. I mean, 50 pips is good, guys. You could take your money and go. You do not have to do a long-term trade like this. I love to swing these markets. I like to find positions where I can get in and swing these markets. Okay? That's what this is. That's the way I like to trade. Now, if she does come back down here, this is fine. I've already got my 20. I moved my 20 clicked to 2342 already. And boom, the 20 pips secured was hit, which is fine. You could have took 50 pips. I left some money on the table. I don't mind. And then here, you got her coming back. Now, let's play, because I really, really like to play, right? What is going on right now? It is looking really good. All right, let's go back to the daily real fast. Let's look at the daily candles. Let's see how daily moving. Wait, I'm gonna take these away. Not bad at all. Remember, I said, look at this market. Look at all this. All right, all of that is showing, you know, wanting, this market is moving up, trending up. But by the time you guys see the fucking trend, the market has reversed. Okay? By the time you see the trend, the market has reversed. So, is the trend really your friend? Who knows? I don't think so, because of the fact that the trend, this market is trending up. You could buy this market, come back in this area, but most likely this trend is going to get broken and she's going to start falling back down into lower prices. But let's do something that I haven't done today for you guys, which was check the DXY. Come on, slow computer. All right. Let's see what we got. We got this daily candle starting to move down. We got what? Let me take these off. Ooh, we smacking my stuff, man. Smacking. Let me just update this bad boy. So we can see what's happening here. Okay. Alrighty. We looking good. Looking pretty good. Okay. Previously, DXY did get up in my insufficiency in price that I have. This is something that I was looking at. Let me move that thing back. Something that I was looking at here, if market actually getting up into, right? Yesterday they got up into it a little smidge bit, as you can see, just a little tiny bit, but they actually didn't close this, but they moved up higher into it. All right, so now she's moving down. Where could we be moving down to? What do we see here? A gap, insufficiency in price, right there. That's money. We're gonna put that little dollar sign down there. Boom. Right? This gap was filled. This gap wasn't. So this is money. No support resistance talk here. I don't know nothing about that. I X'd out that support resistance talk years and years ago, probably over 5 years ago. So what is the theory? What's the theory between the correlations between gold and DXY? Well, the theory is when DXY is moving down, gold is moving up. Okay, so let's check out. Are we still at our entry price, or did she come back to our entry price? Is there a chance that she will continue moving up, or well, DXY was falling. We could still get this up there. I want to see that, right? I want to see us actually get this market back up here, right? Let's get back up there. This is not even a chart that I was using. Hold on, guys. I'm using eighth cap. All right. All right. So if DXY is going to fall, gold is pulling back a little bit too, right? You just gotta watch it. You guys gonna have to monitor it. Looks like she's gonna hit our break even. Let me go to the smaller time frame, and she hit the break even. DXY is moving down, guys. DXY is moving down. Strong chance of gold just come down a little bit and then reverse and go up, because the DXY is slowly moving to the downside with a little bit of up movement. You know, she gotta breathe. Markets have to breathe. Okay, so that's what that is. But let's just watch it. Let's just watch it and see how she play out, guys. Again, that's why I said, you know, you could just hold your stop loss, right? Or you can break even, or you can secure the 20 clicks, 20 pips here. Secure. Listen, it doesn't matter. Today was a win. Today was a win. But if you feel like, well, you know what? I wanted to hold it. You could have held it. You could hold this trade. All right. It was a good day. I mean, this week, y'all, I don't know a trade that we've lost on stream. This was a win for me. So I just want to update like the stream a little bit while we're sitting here watching this play out. I have to get my music thing together because I've been getting copyright strikes, and you know, I'm an artist. I can make my own music. You know, I got music that I want to put onto my stream, but I have to get my little setup a little better as far as my recording again. Thank God I still have my AKG 420 mic. You feel me? They didn't steal my mic. Thank God. Idiots. But anyways, what was I saying? I'm gonna start moving this thing around. All right, so DXY is moving down. Gold should be trending up. All right, she broke this high here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so we're still in the overall uptrend, guys. Okay, still overall uptrend. But let me update this stream stuff real quick while y'all watch this. All right. There you go. There you have it. We're good. Okay, so there. There should be no reason why anybody who got on stream with me today to lose a trade, because I've walked you through all of the scenarios, right? And we just had to figure out which scenario made more sense. As far as the news, when I seen the news kick in, right? We got a little push, but that was pretty much it. Nothing too big. Okay. And here we are, pretty much done with trading unless you want to just hold this bad boy out. But we're done for the day. I've already updated the group. All right. Hold on, let me update them. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna update them real quick. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. We are done. We're done for the day. Told you I don't know why it's stuck. I don't know what's going on. It's taking forever. All right, I'm done for the day. All right, see you tomorrow. Boom, we're finished. We're done. We got what we were looking for. We didn't get the TP3, which is fine. It might come a little later or it might not come at all, right? But just looking at how this is looking, strong chance of us getting it. Look at these tops here. Y'all see that? Double tops right there. Got money sitting above that. And then we got a gap above the double tops, guys. That's crazy. We might see that market go ahead and tag them folks. Them folks think they sitting pretty right now. Look at them sitting there thinking they sitting pretty. But guess what? Market doesn't like when you sit pretty. All right, well, pretty much, like, again, my streams are not long. They're from 8 to 9 or maybe 9:30. It just depends on how I feel or when baby is going to wake up. But that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. This is the area that we're in right now. And I don't mind, if you want, I don't know if you guys want me to, but I can leave this up for a little while. And y'all can see if TP3 get hit. I actually do leave this up. When I get off stream, I leave it up. But I'm updating the group, in the VIP group, and the free signals group. I'm updating you guys. You never know, I might come back to these markets after doing what I'm doing, and then I'll be like, yo, this is a good trade, take it. You feel me? So but yeah, I'm gonna sit up here and wait and see if 23.45 gets smacked. It should be 23.46. There we go. Should see 23.46 get smacked. We got all this insufficiency above. All this look like money targets to me. All right, so we'll just wait and see what we get. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't. You know, it's all about finding your position, securing your position after she moves into your direction, and letting the trade play out. This is not like an area of a bottom, right? This is just like quick retracement, get in. I see the retracement, I'm gonna get in. What is this happening here? Move up, 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 take the top. She got to come back, retrace to the bottom, get in. What does she do? Come up, take the tops, right on the retracement, get in. All right, same thing here that's happened. Taking the tops here, retrace, right? Finding that bottom based off the lower time frame. Finding that retracement, right? Here. This would have been the one to get in at, right here. Look at that insufficiency on the 1 minute. Right here. Boom. This would have been a really nice trade, right? This, I think, I was looking at the markets right before I started the stream around that 7:30 time, having my tea, and I was like, wow, this market could, fly up even higher for news. So the news to me is just an excuse to move markets. So I'm just going to, I play it how I see it. I seen the push down and I was like, well, false move, let's move up. And that was a good reason for me to take the trade. Listen, sometimes I'll take it. I calculate everything really fast. And I have to slow down and tell you guys. But by the time I'm telling you guys, I've already calculated it all. And I'm like, yo, she's moving. You probably like, why did you get in here? Why did you get in there? Well, I've already calculated from previous and top-down analysis. I pretty much know where the market is sitting on all the other time frames. So, I'm okay to take the trade if I want to take it. Okay. But it is 9 o'clock and you already know I am done for the day. I'm not like these other YouTubers that's going to sit on here all day long. I see some guys that they'll just keep their charts up or whatever. I don't want to do that, really. I mean, if you want me to, just let me know. Leave in a comment below if you want me to leave my charts up, and you wanna look at my trades after the stream. I can do that. I mean, I probably don't mind doing that, but I won't leave them up for long. Okay, I'll leave them up for a little bit longer, but not for too long. Right? One, my wife does come around and cut off my computer, so yeah, the stream will be interrupted. All right, so because I'll be having all my screens up, and she'll come by and she'll cut this thing off. Right, I might be in a room sleep or something like that. I'll come back out here and my computers is off, but it's cool though. I'm not tripping over that. All right. But I will leave this up to see if this market, you know, will get up here to this price, 23.46. And, ooh, nice little pull back here, all the way down on this candle here, boom, up. Man, guys, this thing is just too easy. I don't know if you need help. If you want, listen, I do one-on-ones. I do charge for my one-on-ones. I charge $50 a session. I'm telling you, it's worth every fucking penny. Okay? It's worth every penny. Because when I'm done with you, your level of trading is going to change. I promise you, one session is all I really need with you. Right? I don't care if you're a beginner, if you've been doing this a couple years, or you're advanced. You can always learn something new from somebody else. And really, if you want the session, you have to go to my Telegram group. Okay? You can send me a message. You can come on here to my YouTube page and below. And you can send me a message on YouTube. You can send me an email, you know, at superincomeclass.com. All one word, superincomeclass.com. Okay? And you can set up, if you want to set up your session for a trading session. Now, the trading sessions that I do is on Saturdays and Sundays. It's when market is closed. Okay? It's the only time that I'm available to do a session is Saturday and Sunday. Okay? I will do a Zoom call with you. I will break down. I will first figure out where you stand with your psychology first. Because I could pretty much, you know, I could read a very new trader. I could read a trader that thinks that they know everything. That they, oh yeah, all that. You don't gotta do none of that. I could read you 100%. All right. Now, when you're done doing all that, I hope you're ready to listen, because I'm gonna teach you something that these other traders are not gonna teach you. Okay. Now, and how you can become more profitable as a trader, and finding your setups and finding your positions and finding out which ones are high probability trade setups. Okay? So, if you want that, make sure you send me a DM, email, whatever, however. Just reach out. All right? You can send me a message on Instagram. All right? You follow me on my Instagram, Mo Diesel. All right? There's only one. Okay? Don't fall for the fake accounts. That's not me. I do not ever hit anybody up and ask them for money. Ever. Okay? If they do, they're scamming you, and that is not me. I don't have to ask anybody for money when I'm playing in a $6.6 trillion a day market. Like, come on, guys. Don't get scammed. The only reason why you would pay me is for the education. You feel me? Or, you know, you want to get in a VIP singles group. I don't even promote it. I mean, I promote it on here, as far as like, you know, on the stream. If you want to get in the Telegram group, you can. It's free. And I do have a VIP paid side, but that's totally up to you if you want to do it. I'm putting VIP signals, you know, in the free group. So all of that is totally up to you. Okay? Now, I've talked your ear off enough for the day. Right? I appreciate everybody coming to my stream. Make sure, if you're new to the stream, make sure you hit that subscribe button, please. I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that notification bell too, so you know every time I go live, you'll be notified. And you won't miss out on some good free shmoney. All right. I'm really getting you guys into trades with probably like very little to no drawdown. Okay. Yes, I might put up a 50 pip stop, but guys, it don't touch that sometimes. Yesterday, it kind of did. It tested us at our 38 pip stop. It tested us. It went 37. and then reverse and gave us TP 1, 2, and 3. That was beautiful. But it don't always happen that way, guys, okay? So, but I do try to give you guys a really, really tight stop. I don't want you guys to lose a lot of money. I want you to come here and make money. That is my job, is to make sure you make money, okay? So, I don't know. I guess I can just keep this up for you guys for a while. I'm sorry I do not have any music. I don't got music for you. I'm sorry. I don't know. This could have looked like a little re-entry if you got stopped out 20 pips. Like, shoot, let me get back in. Boom. Too easy. All right, well, that's enough that I got for you guys today. It's 20 wins here, as you can see below. I lost 5 times, but my win rate is 80%. So, hey, you think I care about losses? No, it's about my wins. Feel me? All right, but other than that, guys, I got to get going. Got to go handle the rest of my morning duties. But this is what I will do, though. I'm going to mute this, and I'm going to keep this up for you guys today. See, it's 20 pips here. I'm going to type something real quick here. 40 pips. And then, where is it? Up here is 60. 60 pips up here. Okay. So if it reaches up here, we've got our 60 pips. Oops. 60 pips here. 20 pips here. Boom. And I don't want to mess you guys up. This was insufficiency in price and the reason why she came back down. So I'm just going to get rid of this. And that's it. I'm going to hold this out. I have an alert. My Apple Watch will go off when the alert go off. My phone will go off when the alert go off. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I got for you, though. Thank you guys for trading with me today. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right? Peace. Mo Diesel out. Okay. I got alerted, so I had to come back. Excuse me. Right. Drink some water. So I had to stop what I was doing and come up here and just update the group that our TP3 was hit. Okay. And that's pretty much all I gotta do. My job is done for the day. I told you guys I would leave this up on the stream just in case, she does hit my TP3 at 60 pips. So if you were trading with us today, from the time that we entered all the way up, it did not go, we went a little negative. All right, just guys, so what? We went a little negative, not much. Okay, look, from here to here, what is that? What, 22? I mean, 2 pip negative, guys. Very little drawdown, and she's a runner. She's a track star. I do not own the rights to that song. Do not copyright me. But anyways, guys, I just updated the group and let them know that, hey, our TP was hit. If you kept the original coordinates, stop loss, everything, if you just let this baby play out and not did anything, she would have ran for you. All right, but you don't know this, but in a sense, we kind of know, but we don't, right? She ran 76 clicks so far here on stream. I mean, I don't know how much better I can get for y'all. I'm going to do this every day. I'll be back here tomorrow, okay? She already hit all of our areas of interest. This price, 20 pip price, 40 pip price, 60 pip price. She hit that, smacked it. All right. Yeah, it's a little bit of stuff happening on the lower time frame down here, but nothing too big. This is why I say you guys should just watch the 1 hour time frame. All right. Don't be down there looking at the little crabs on the lower time frame when you can basically just, be a little bit more comfortable watching it on the higher time frame. Okay? But look, that's all I wanted for the day. I just wanted to see us hit our price point of 60 pips and get that alert and let the group know, update the group, and that's pretty much it. If you are new to the stream, again, I'm going to say this one more time. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. And also in the description below, there is a Telegram link. It is free. Feel free to enter the group and take these same signals. So if you cannot make the stream, you'll at least get the signals that we have on stream. All right. So I'm trying to help you guys out here. I mean, we can watch this market all day. I could watch this all day. I am I did take partials at 20, at the 20 click. Those were my take partials, but now I'm, I let the rest of the trade run and this thing is going. Okay. Didn't touch our stop loss. We've already hit our targets and we're done for the day, guys. That's it. Yay. Now go ahead about your business. Go to the gym. Drink some water. Lime water at that. Eat healthy. Be productive today. Okay. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I'm not going to let this stream run forever. I'm done. I'll see you guys tomorrow and then we can go over what happened. So I am going to leave this up. So tomorrow when I pop back on stream, you'll see the same setup, all of this, and we'll be able to basically see and tell the story what happened from this time to tomorrow morning. 8 a.m. Eastern time is when I get on the stream. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys then. Thank you again for trading with me. Y'all have a wonderful day. Mo Diesel out.